What's up YouTube? I'll be showing you my quick and easy way of how to bleach a closure. This is the closure that I'm using, and as you can see, the knots are not bleached. Here's the products that I'll be using, and I'll also have those listed below in the description box. So basically here I'm just showing you that I'll be using 1 scoop of the bleaching powder, and I'll also be using 1 cup of the 40 volume developer. So as you guys already may know, the consistency that you're going for is something similar to peanut butter. You definitely do not want the consistency to be too runny. You definitely want it to be on the thicker side. So just go ahead and mix that together really well. And then here I'm just showing you that I did go ahead and pull back the baby hairs on the closure. And now I'm going to take my plastic butter knife and spread the mixture all over the closure. The goal here is to use a very light hand. You want the mixture to sit on top of the knots. You do not want to press the mixture into the closure because you'll end up with blonde roots. So it's very important to get the right consistency. Again, you don't want it to be too runny, and you definitely want to use a light hand. And I just let this sit for about 30 minutes. So once that's done processing, you just want to rinse the bleaching powder off in a downward motion. I did go ahead and shampoo the closure with the neutralizing shampoo. I just wanted to make sure that all of the processing had completely stopped. And you just want to work that in really well and rinse that, and then you can go back in and shampoo your closure with the purple Shimmer Light shampoo to further combat any type of brassiness. And I did let the Shimmer Light shampoo sit for about 5 minutes. So basically what I'm showing you here is that following those steps, I was able to get a scalp-like appearance. I was happy with the way that the closure came out, and I found this method to be pretty simple. I definitely like using the bleaching powder that has the toner added, into the powder. I just find it much easier and quicker. I hope this method helps you guys. If you find this helpful, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below. If there's something you would like for me to elaborate on, I can do that also. But again, here I'm just showing you that you can achieve that, realistic scalp-like appearance. I did go ahead and put the lace closure on top of a nude stocking cap. If a nude cap is, too light for you, you can always go ahead and add foundation, or you can always purchase a dark brown stocking cap. So again, hope this is helpful, and leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.